For decades, the scientific community has been enthralled by the tantalizing prospect of human settlement on Mars. At the forefront of this vision is Elon Musk, whose unwavering commitment to colonizing the red planet is well known. In this video, we delve into the ambitious plans of the SpaceX founder for Martian colonization. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's dive in. Elon Musk founded SpaceX amidst concerns that NASA wasn't pushing aggressively towards Mars colonization. Driven by the fear that Earth might eventually become uninhabitable, he envisioned SpaceX as a pioneering force in interplanetary travel. Mars, despite being about 140 million miles away, is one of the closest habitable planets to Earth. It offers reasonable sunlight and a tolerable cold, conditions that humans could potentially adapt to. The Martian atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide, along with nitrogen and argon, is thought to be conducive for growing plants. A day on Mars is slightly longer than on Earth, lasting about 24 hours and 37 minutes, and the gravity is approximately 38% of Earth's. Studies indicate that humans could adapt to these conditions. Musk, however, has candidly acknowledged the risks involved, stating that the initial settlers might not survive in the long term but would play a crucial role in the exploration and understanding of Mars. The logistics of colonizing Mars are daunting. It would require about 1,000 spaceships and a substantial supply of essentials, like vitamin C, to establish a viable human presence. Musk envisions a self-sustaining city on Mars as the key to successful colonization. The challenge lies in developing spacecraft capable of returning to Earth after landing on Mars. While current NASA missions focus on scientific exploration, SpaceX's plans are more ambitious, aimed at sustaining human life on Mars. The viability of life on Mars hinges on overcoming numerous obstacles, including transportation, resource allocation, and environmental adaptation. SpaceX's proposed Starship, mounted on the formidable Super Heavy booster, referred to by Musk as the Big Falcon rocket, BFR, is central to these plans. The BFR, towering at 25 stories and equipped with 42 powerful Raptor engines, is designed to transport significant payloads into space, paving the way for the ambitious goal of transporting 100,000 tons of cargo to Mars annually. The operational plan involves launching the reusable Starship rockets about 3 times daily, each carrying a 100-ton payload. In a 26-month window aligning Earth and Mars, 1,000 Starships could transport around 100,000 people to Mars. This transit relies heavily on in-orbit refueling by tanker spaceships, a crucial step in reaching Mars. With a planned landing on Mars possibly by 2022 or 2023, SpaceX is racing against time to make these visions a reality. Musk's vision extends beyond mere survival on Mars. He imagines a society with direct democracy, simpler laws, and ample job opportunities. Food production would rely on solar-powered hydroponic farms, either underground or in enclosed structures. The landing zones for SpaceX's Starships are strategically planned near subsurface water and ice deposits, crucial for sustaining life and refueling spacecraft. The SpaceX ships, using liquid methane and liquid oxygen as fuel, could potentially harness the Martian resources for fuel production. The Sabatier process, utilizing atmospheric CO2 and water ice from Mars, is proposed for generating fuel. This process would require extensive solar panel arrays, which SpaceX plans to transport to Mars. The Boring Company, another Musk venture, might play a role in Mars colonization by aiding in water extraction and infrastructure development. Protecting human colonies from Mars' harsh radiation might necessitate constructing underground settlements. Communication between Earth and Martian colonies could be facilitated by the Starlink satellite network, another Musk initiative. The use of autonomous vehicles for transport and resource gathering on Mars is also a possibility, though details remain speculative. SpaceX's first missions to Mars would prioritize establishing the necessary infrastructure for sustainable human presence. This includes power generation, air processing, water extraction, and fuel synthesis. The initial uncrewed missions would focus on resource validation and infrastructure setup, paving the way for future manned missions. Despite skepticism from some experts regarding the readiness of necessary technologies, Musk remains optimistic. He envisions a Mars base by 2028, a stepping stone towards creating a backup habitat for humanity. Musk has even floated ideas like terraforming Mars, although NASA remains skeptical about the feasibility of such a massive endeavor. While the colonization of Mars presents numerous challenges and uncertainties, the efforts and innovations spearheaded by Elon Musk and SpaceX are driving humanity closer to this once distant dream. With ongoing developments and tests at SpaceX's Boca Chica facility in Texas, the vision of Mars colonization, though years away, holds the promise of a new chapter in human exploration and habitation. As we delve deeper into the SpaceX journey to Mars, it's crucial to understand the engineering marvels and scientific breakthroughs that underpin this audacious venture. The cornerstone of Musk's strategy is the Starship spacecraft, an engineering feat designed to ferry humans and cargo to Mars and potentially beyond. With its unprecedented payload capacity and reusable design, the Starship represents a leap forward in space travel technology. But the journey to Mars is more than a feat of engineering, it's a voyage into the unknown. The challenges are not just technical but also physiological and psychological. Settlers on Mars will face a harsh, alien environment, with extreme temperatures, dust storms, and the ever-present danger of radiation. These pioneers will need to be resilient, resourceful, and ready for the unexpected. Musk's vision for Mars goes beyond mere survival. He imagines a thriving, self-sufficient community. This means not just living on Mars, but living off Mars, utilizing the planet's resources for water, air, and food. The plan involves extracting water from the Martian soil, generating oxygen for breathing, and even producing fuel for return journeys to Earth. The social and political structure of this new Martian society is also a subject of much speculation. Musk has proposed a form of direct democracy for Martian settlers, a system where every individual has a say in the colony's governance. This bold idea reflects not just a new world in a physical sense, but a new world order, a chance to rethink societal structures and values. Musk envisions a Mars where technology and nature coexist, where human ingenuity harnesses the red planet's resources in a sustainable way. This includes proposals for terraforming, the process of altering the Martian environment to make it more Earth-like. While this concept remains largely theoretical and fraught with scientific and ethical considerations, it represents the boundless ambition at the heart of the SpaceX mission. SpaceX's plans for Mars are more than a series of missions, they're a blueprint for a new era of human exploration. Each step, from the first unmanned probes to the establishment of a permanent colony, is part of a larger narrative, a story of humanity reaching out to the stars. As we look towards the future, it's clear that the journey to Mars will be one of the most significant undertakings in human history. It's a path filled with challenges and uncertainties, but also with the potential for incredible discoveries and achievements. With each passing day, Musk and SpaceX are turning what was once a sci-fi dream into a tangible reality. The colonization of Mars represents more than just a new home for humanity. It symbolizes the indomitable human spirit, the desire to explore, to discover, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's a reminder that, even in the vastness of space, the most important journey is the one we embark on together, as a species united by curiosity and driven by the quest for knowledge. And so, as we stand on the brink of this new frontier, we look forward to the day when the first human footprints will be imprinted on the Martian soil, marking the beginning of a new chapter in the human story, a chapter filled with hope, adventure, and the unyielding pursuit of the unknown. As we approach the realization of Elon Musk's visionary project, it's vital to consider the broader implications of this monumental endeavor. The colonization of Mars is not just a leap for SpaceX, but a giant stride for mankind, symbolizing a new age of interplanetary civilization. The Mars project is more than a technical challenge, it's a test of human endurance, innovation, and collaboration. Settlers on Mars will not only have to overcome the physical challenges of a new planet but also establish a sustainable way of life in an environment that is, in many ways, hostile to human life. This pioneering community will need to develop new agricultural techniques, create habitable structures, and establish reliable sources of energy. The potential for scientific discovery on Mars is immense. Studying the Martian landscape and atmosphere could provide crucial insights into the history of our solar system, the potential for life on other planets, and the origins of life itself. The lessons learned on Mars could also inform our understanding of Earth's environmental challenges and how we might address them. Musk's project also raises important ethical and philosophical questions. The prospect of terraforming Mars, for instance, prompts us to consider our responsibility as stewards of new worlds. What are the implications of altering an entire planet's ecosystem? How do we balance our desire for exploration and expansion with respect for other environments? The Mars mission is a testament to the power of human imagination and determination. It is a reminder that, when united by a common goal, humans are capable of extraordinary feats. The challenges of colonizing Mars will require not just technological prowess but also a shared commitment to overcoming obstacles, learning, and growing together as an interplanetary species. Moreover, the Mars mission could serve as a catalyst for global cooperation. In an era where Earth faces numerous challenges, the shared goal of exploring and settling on Mars might inspire nations to work together, pooling resources, knowledge, and expertise for a common cause. As we embark on this incredible journey, we must remember that the exploration of Mars is not just about reaching a new planet, it's about expanding the horizons of human capability and knowledge. It's about dreaming big, facing the unknown with courage, and striving for a future where humanity thrives beyond the confines of Earth. In conclusion, Elon Musk's SpaceX Mars project stands as a beacon of human aspiration. It's a bold reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream and work tirelessly towards making those dreams a reality. As we watch this journey unfold, we are witnessing not just the writing of a new chapter in space exploration but also the crafting of a legacy that will inspire generations to come.